I often get asked, why aren't my violas doing very well? And it's a bit like saying, how long's a piece of string? Because there are so many things that might go wrong, not all at the same time, but it's always a possibility. If they get too dry, they can get powdery mildew. If they get too wet, the roots can rot and they can collapse. And it's one of those things where you just have to keep an eye on the plants, especially the ones in containers. They can also get things like sometimes a few hardy aphids might be around and take a bit of a nibble, especially on the stems. Vine weevil can be a problem, but that tends to be more when you get into the early spring. As the vine weevil eggs hatch and the grubs start to feed, they'll feed on the roots, and then the telltale sign for that is that the plant just keels over for no apparent reason. You go to pick it up and you find that it's not connected to any roots anymore because they've all been eaten. Violas, people often say, why have they gone so leggy? They've gone all tall and straggly. The main reason is either they've been overfed, which is not very common, but also if they're grown in a shaded place, what tends to happen, the growth gets drawn upwards, and then because the stems aren't particularly strong, they'll keel over and you finish up with ground cover violas rather than the sort of plants that you see here. We hope you found this video useful. Please remember to press the like button, share the content with your friends, and subscribe to get more gardening videos.